Welcome to our refinery. Today, I'll show you exactly how raw seeds are transformed into the pure, golden cooking oil you use every day.
Next, we neutralize free fatty acids to ensure the oil is stable and has a long shelf life.
Next, we neutralize free fatty acids to ensure the oil is stable and has a long shelf life.
This process removes any remaining impurities, giving the oil its perfect, transparent color.
Every batch is rigorously tested for purity before it's ready for packaging. And that's how we refine cooking oil for the modern world. For